everybody. So I'm here at Saks Day. I'm here to check out the cloth as a community exhibit. Yeah, it's been here since February 2nd, but I didn't get to come to the opening, so I decided to check it out. It's going to be available to everyone until May. I'll link the information down below because it's not going to be always at this place, so it'll be at a different location after the 25th of February, I believe. So I will link it down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you guys could go ahead and see all the information on there, okay? It's very cool. I'm into Hmong stuff, you guys know that, so yeah. This video is all dedicated to you guys at home that can't come, okay? But if you guys are in town or nearby, you guys should definitely check it out, okay? It's well worth it. So right here is where we're going. 1026. Just want to say thank you to everyone who came together and put on this event. It's such a awesome place for a younger generation and older generation to learn a little bit more about the Hmong clothing and textile. So yes, do come check it out if you guys are nearby. If you guys are not, hopefully I have got enough footage for you guys to learn something about our Hmong culture. Okay, so bye bye for now. See you guys next time. Bye bye. Love you guys.